What's up everyone, Chuck here with VMP, and I've got Andrew Sheridan from Mustang Lifestyle beside me. We've got this beautiful S550 Mustang, which I'm sure you've seen in a few of Andrew's videos. Yeah. We're gonna get strapped down on the dyno and see what it does, but first let's have Andrew tell us a little bit about what's done to the car.
Jordan told me that he was thinking about picking up a salvage title Mustang, so he picked up this car for pretty cheap, and it's not perfect cosmetically, but he wanted to build a race car and wanted to build something fast, a mid 9-second car, so VMP Gen3R, fuel system, some BMR Suspension, Viking Shocks. It's so simple. It's such a simple setup. Oh, and G-force axles and driveshaft. All
right, so basic setup, VMP Gen3R, our fuel system, our throttle body. Joe's gonna throw it on here. We're gonna see what kind of power it makes, see what it takes to go mid-9s, and let's see what happens.
And we didn't really get to see the full potential of it. We got kicked off the track before we could really better the 60-foot, so.
Darn those rules.
Yeah.
All right, so we just finished up on the rollers. This thing actually made a little bit more than what we were expecting it to.
Yep.
Typical Gen3R fashion. 807 wheel, 777 if you want to correct it SAE. I think 811 uncorrected SAE. We got all the dyno graphs for you guys to check out.
That's good news. I mean, we were a little worried because the way that this car has, held up against some other cars in, Mexico.
Mexico, of course.
It has done very well, so we're a little worried that it might be pushing that stock bottom end, but that's fairly safe for a Gen 2. There was a hair belt slip, which I think you can see on the graph.
Yeah, a little bit of belt slip, but overall not a boost level that would be concerning for the engine or any kind of internal components. So the car's safe, the tune-up's great, makes a ton of power, ready to go race.
Yeah, there's still a lot more mods. There's a 72mm, 69mm pulley. You could do a lower mono blade converter. There's so many more things you can do to get this thing into, high 8s on stock motor.
Sky's the limit.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching, guys. Remember to check out Andrew's channel, Mustang Lifestyle. Remember to like, share, and subscribe at VMP Performance, and I'll see you guys next time.